Direct deposit is the electronic transfer of funds directly into your U.S. bank account. It eliminates paper checks for payments like salaries, government benefits, or tax refunds. U.S. Bank uses the Automated Clearinghouse (ACH) network for these secure transfers. It's a convenient and secure way to receive your money. There are several ways to get the U.S. Bank direct deposit form. The easiest method is online. You can also use the mobile app for quick access. If you don't have a U.S. Bank account, ask your employer or the paying organization for U.S. Bank's standard form. Physical forms are still available at U.S. Bank branches, although digital options are preferred. To fill out the U.S. Bank direct deposit form, you'll need your account information. Start with your full name exactly as it appears on your U.S. Bank account. Next, you'll need the 9-digit U.S. Bank routing number, which is unique to the bank and identifies it in the ACH network. Then, provide your account number, which can be up to 17 digits long and is specific to your checking or savings account. Specify the account type, whether it's a checking account or savings account, where you want the funds deposited. If this is for payroll, include your employer's details, such as their name and contact information. Finally, provide your signature, authorizing the direct deposit, which gives permission for the electronic transfers. Begin by filling out the form electronically in the U.S. Bank app. The app autofills many details from your account information, making the process quick and accurate. Alternatively, print a blank form and fill it out manually. Ensure you have all required information ready before starting. Double-check all information you have entered. Review each field carefully to ensure accuracy. Pay special attention to your routing and account numbers. Incorrect entries can cause deposit failures, so verify these digits carefully. The form includes sections for consent to electronic transfers and fraud disclaimers. Read and acknowledge these to complete the form properly. The fastest way to submit the form is digitally. If you filled it out in the U.S. Bank app, you can submit it directly through the app. Otherwise, you can securely email the completed form to your employer or the paying organization. U.S. Bank may provide a specific submission link for added security. If a physical submission is required for your direct deposit form, you have two main options: mailing it or dropping it off in person. First, you can mail the completed form directly to your employer or the paying organization. Simply place it in an envelope with proper postage and mailing address. Alternatively, you can drop off the form in person at any U.S. Bank branch location. This provides immediate confirmation that your form has been received. Remember that while physical submission is available, digital methods through the U.S. Bank app or website are generally faster and more secure. Physical forms typically take 1 to 3 business days for processing. Before submitting physically, it's a good idea to confirm with your employer or the paying organization about their preferred method of receiving the form. After submitting your direct deposit form to U.S. Bank, you will typically receive a confirmation via email or SMS to acknowledge receipt of your information. Next, monitor your account for a small test deposit, usually just 1 cent, which serves as verification that the account details are correct. You may need to confirm this deposit with your employer or payer. The processing of your direct deposit setup usually takes between 1 and 3 business days from the time of submission. Once processed, your funds will typically be available in your account within 1 to 2 days after the actual deposit date. If you have any questions during this process, contact U.S. Bank customer service at 1-800-872-2657 for assistance. Security is crucial when setting up direct deposit with U.S. Bank. Here are essential tips to protect your information and avoid common mistakes. Always use secure connections when submitting forms. This ensures your data is encrypted and protected from interception. Avoid sharing sensitive information via unsecured email. Email is not encrypted by default and can be intercepted. Use secure bank portals instead. Double-check your routing and account numbers. This is the most common error. Incorrect numbers can cause deposits to fail or go to the wrong account. With U.S. Bank's enhanced security, utilize two-factor authentication when available for submitting the form. This adds an extra layer of protection beyond just your password. Regularly monitor your account for any unauthorized activity. Check your statements and transaction history frequently to catch any issues early. Following these security tips will help ensure your direct deposit setup with U.S. Bank is safe and successful.